Hello team, today's challenge is Horoscope Match, where we're given two different horoscopes, the zodiac positions, and we need to determine a compatibility based on how far apart they are on the zodiac wheel, I guess, right? So pretty straightforward stuff. We just need to find the position of the first and the position of the second, subtract them, do a little bit of math, and send it out the door, right? With that, I'm going to grab these first ones here. If you want the final comma, if you don't, that's your choice, right? I'm going to leave it in there because it doesn't hurt anything. But right here, this is going to be our signs, right? And we're going to set that equal to all of this good stuff. It should actually be an equal sign. I don't know why it didn't do that. Brilliant. Okay, so that's all of our zodiac signs. From there, we have our compatibility. To make my life easy, I'm just going to grab the compatibility as well, right? At which point we can go down here and go paste it in. Now, compatibility should be lowercase c. We're going to go const compatibility equals new map. Why a map? Because I like them, right? If you wanted to use an object here, you could. There are plenty of options. In fact, you could just, because this is 0 indexed and it goes to 6, you could just have this as an array. So lots of different options. I'm going to boost it up, put it in here. Excellent. Okay, there is a hidden tab in here, which lets me do the multi-cursor thing. So I can do that. And then wrapping this all up, we're going to do something like this, add in a comma. We are set. Okay, we have our signs, we have our compatibility. We can use it all down here. Okay. The first is the sign 1 index, just like this. Let's set that equal to signs. Sorry, I almost forgot what I was doing there. Index of sign 1, right? That's what we're doing. Sign 2 index is we can just multi-cursor this, change this to a 2. So we have the index of sign 1, we have the index of sign 2, and we can do the math. Let's do it as a diff. That's going to be sign 1 index minus sign 2 index. There's a chance that this could be negative. We don't want it to be negative, right? So we're going to wrap that up and go math.abs, just like this, at which point now we have a decision, okay? Because the diff might be greater than 6. And again, we need to know which direction we're going to. So as an example, Aries and Pisces being at opposite ends of this array, well, if we had Aries and Pisces, Aries is 0, Pisces is 11, right? Because it's 0 indexed. 11 minus 0 is 11. That distance doesn't work. But if we wrap around, the distance should be 1, right? It should go from here to here. The distance is 1. Well, we can do that using subtraction. We can do 12 minus 11, which returns 1, which gets us that distance, right? Hopefully that's making sense because that's exactly what we do here. We get this dist and we go diff greater than 6, right? Because it's 6 index, so 6 is our magic number. Then we go 12 minus diff. Otherwise, we just go diff, right? Hopefully that's making sense because now we just put it together, okay? We get our compatibility, big word. I'm going to copy it down just like this, get dist, and it works, right? It's as simple as that. Now, again, there are options here where we could have, as an example, if we wanted to, we could have done this as an array. We can actually convert it to an array using, say, compat array equals compatibility. Do I still have it? Yes. Compatibility.values, just like this. Compatibility.values returns an iterator, so we need to wrap that up just like this, spread it out, and now we have an array of just the values, right? Or we could have started the other way where we had the array and we converted it into a map. Lots of different options, right? In fact, down here, instead of this diff, we could change this to be something like math.min, right? Math.min, we're going to go 12 minus diff and diff, and it all still works. It's not actually using this array. I could comment that out, but it all still works. Lots of options with this one, right? It's kind of interesting how it all goes. And at least when I was testing, no clear winners for performance. They're all well over 500 million, sorry, not 500 million, 5 million. I don't know where the 100 came from. Well over 5 million ops per second. So plenty fast. And they get the job done, right? This is how I would solve it. So we have the array, we have the compatibility, we get those indexes, we do a little bit of math, and we send it out the door. It's as simple as that. Hopefully that's making a lot of sense. If it's not, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you like this, if you hate it, if you went a different way, all that good stuff. I want to see it all. Otherwise, today this has been Horoscope Match, and I will see you in the next one.